Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on Sunday. Yes, it's Sunday. We have actually no newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, the yesterday's newspaper is Saturday, October the 23rd, 2021. We have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the two-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 1 star. And we will do first the letter Sudoku, and this will be a number. Let me see which number it will be. Number 3581. Yeah, 3581. Before I start, I always count the printed letters. This one has 27 printed letters. Those letters are the S, the M, the H, the C, the E, the D, the T, the A, and the N. Yes, and for a 27 printed digits or letters, well, for the letters, I need more time than the digits. If this puzzle is a digit, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. But with the letter Sudoku, I need more time. And I think I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Which letter can I use? How about the N in this row? N in that row. So the row between the middle row, only two places for the N should be here or there. We see that N, no N there. N should be there. Alright. Alright. Then. How about A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We see an A, no A in these three boxes, so the A could be here, could be there. So we have an A in this column, A in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, only place for the A should be there. 3 missing letters in the last column. One of the missing letters is a D. We see a D in this big square, so no D in these two boxes. So one box left for the D should be there. D in the last column, D in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the D should be there. Then. H and the T. 2 missing letters in the last column. Those missing letters are the T is missing and the H is missing. We see here T, no T there. T should be here. And the H goes there. H in the third row, H in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the H should be here or there. We see then H, no H there, H should be there. All right. Okay. How about DD. Okay. Let me see. H and T. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the M. We see an M. No M in these two boxes. So one box left for the M. Should be there. Two missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the S and the C. S and the C. We see a C in this big square, so no C in this box. The C should be here, and the S goes there. Now we have found a word. The Dutch word smachtend. In 5 minutes. Wow, this one. The goal is to find this word. If you translate this word in English, I think it will be yearning. Yearning, yeah. Yearning. If you translate this. Anyway, let's continue because I've not finished this puzzle. One box left in this big square for the letter E. E in the first row. E in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the E should be here or there. We see an E. No E there. E should be here. E in this row, E in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the E should be here or there. We see there an E, no E there. E should be here. E in this column, E in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the E should be here or there. We see it there, an E, no E there. E should be here. E in this row, E in the row up below. So in the last row, the only three places for the E should be here, here, or there. We see there an E, no E there. Here an E, no E there. The only place for the E should be there. And all the E's are used, I can see. Letter number 1, letter E. Alright. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in the second column. One of the missing letters is an A. We see an A in this row, so no A in this box. We see an A in this big square, so no A in these two boxes. So one box left for the A should be there. A in this row, A in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the A should be there. A in this column, A in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be there. A in this row, A in the row below. So the last row, the only two places for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be here. I've marked those two boxes with the A, but we already have an A there. So this box can't be an A anymore. That box should be an A. And all the A's are used, I can see. Letter number 2, letter A. Alright. N in this column, N in the second column. So the first column, the only two places for the N should be here or there. We see an N, no N there. N should be here. And in this row, and in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the N should be there. N in this column, N in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the N should be here or there. We see there an N, no N there, N should be there. And all the N's are used, I can see. Letter number 3, letter N. Okay. Okay. D and a C. Two letters are missing in this big square. For the letters S and the letter C. We see here C, no C there. C should be here, and the S goes there. Okay. S in the third column, S in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the S should be there. And the T. Two letters are missing in the first column. Those letters are the T and the H are missing. T and the H. We share T, no T there. T should be here, and the H goes there. Alright. So we have a T in this row, T in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only three places for the T should be here, here, or there. We see that T, no T there. Here, T, no T there. The only place for the T should be there. Alright. Okay, H in this row, H in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the H should be there. H in this column, H in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the H should be here or there. We see then H, no H there, H should be here. H in this row, H in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the H should be there. And all the H's are used. I can see. Letter number 4, letter H. All right. Then. How about the letter? Let me see. Yeah. One letter is missing in the last row. For the letter C is missing here. Okay, so we have a C in the third column, C in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the C should be here or there. We see there C, no C there, C should be here. C. Okay. Two letters are missing in this big square. Those missing letters are the M is missing and the D is missing. M and the D. We see here D, no D there. D should be here and the M goes there. So we have an M in this column, M in the column next, the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there. M should be there. Alright. M in this row, M in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there. M should be here. M this column. M. Oh, wait. Two missing letters in the middle row for the letters M. And the letter C is missing. M and a C. We see here an M, no M there. M should be here. And C goes there. So we have an M in this row, M in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the M should be there. And all the M's are used. I can see. Letter number 5, letter M. One missing letter in this big square for the letter S. One missing letter in this row, the third row for the letter S. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters S and the D. We see an S, no S there. S should be here and the D goes there. S in this column, S in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the S should be there. And all the S's are used. I can see letter number 6, letter S. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters T and the D. We see here D, no D there. D should be here. The T goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters T and the C. We see here T, no T there. T should be here. And the C goes there. 2 letters are missing in this big square for the letters C and the D are missing. We see a C, no C there. C should be here and the D goes there. And the final 2 letters in this big square for the letters C and the D. We see a D, no D there. D should be here and the C goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you. Excuse me. Told you. Faster than 60 minutes, 50 minutes. Slower than 50 minutes. Not faster, no. For the 1-star Sudoku with digits, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for the letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 60 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this puzzle. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Just go below and find the link, print it out and solve it by yourself, or compete with me. Yeah, you can play the video and maybe you're faster or maybe you are slower than me. Well, we will see. Just print it out and you can play the Sudoku with me. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.